Installing apps from the Play Store on the Galaxy S25 allows you to download and access a wide range of applications, including social media, productivity tools, and games. Here's how it's done. To begin, tap on the Home button to return to the home screen. From there, tap on the Play Store to open it. Once inside, tap on Apps at the bottom if you're looking for general applications, or select Games if you want to browse and install games. You can explore suggested apps on the home screen, or use the search function to find a specific app. For example, if you want to install TikTok Lite, simply search for it, tap on it, then hit install. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll need to do that before proceeding with the installation. While the app is downloading, you can continue browsing or search for another app. The installation progress will be shown on screen, and once completed, the app will be ready to use. To find your installed apps, swipe up to open the app drawer. Scroll through until you see the newly installed app, then tap on it to open. You can also launch it directly from the Play Store by tapping Open once the installation is finished. And that's it. Now you know how to download and install apps on your Galaxy S25. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.